Very good morning to all of you all, my dear children. Am I audible to you all?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, dear children. The last date to send your article is going to be next Thursday. I told Wednesday. I know you all have some busy schedules to be done. Mathematics, everything. There are plenty of homeworks. So I want you all to submit it on or before next Thursday. Okay? Next Thursday, I will be doing it. Is that clear? Okay. So let us look into the prepositions. So let me share my screen for you all right now. I hope the screen sharing is visible to you all, dear children. Okay. Sure, sure. I will do it. Is my voice breaking still now, na? While the presentation is on? Is it clear? Is it breaking? The voice is breaking, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir, is it okay now, sir?
Sir, okay, sir. Clear, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay, dear children, I told you all to do the prepositions using the prepositions which are given in the bracket, right? Let me zoom it for your thing. And even you all can zoom it. Just look at the prepositions. So we are going to use with, out, to, in, from, during, of, for, or by. Okay? Shall we start it, dear children? You all are going to tell me the answers. I will tell you whether it is right or wrong, right? I'm not going to check individually. It's going to take a lot of time. So on the whole, we'll look into the answers. I'll be looking into your answers. The ones who are saying it correct, it's okay. The ones who are saying it wrong alone will be checked. Okay? Fine. Let me start. In Tamil Nadu, a very interesting form of recitation named Villupattu developed dash the 15th century. Okay, somebody has written it as since. Literally, since is correct, my dear children. But the problem is we don't have a since in that bracket, isn't it? So developed, you can use either during or in. Okay. They're asking the state of development. Okay. The answer is in or during. Okay. You can use either in or during. Both are correct. Okay. Okay. Villupattu means bow song because a bow-shaped musical instrument dash strong high tension string. Dash strong high tension string. Very good, ma'am. Rajarishiha, by will not come there. Okay, plenty of you all have given the right answers. Okay, with is the correct answer. Okay, with W-I-T-H. Villupattu means bow song because a bow-shaped musical instrument with strong high tension string is used dash placing it. Dash placing it. Very good, Srineja. Very good, Netra. Ashwin, it is not in. Okay. Ritu, it's not by, ma. Siona, it's not by. Aditya, it's not by. For is the correct answer. Okay. For. You can write it as for. Got it? High tension string is used for placing it. Okay. Used for placing it. For is the right answer. Okay. Placing it dash an earthen pitcher. dash an earthen picture. Very good, very good, very good. Rahini, Madini, Srinija, Rajarishiya, it is not out. Yadu, very good. Aditya Darshan, Jaya Akshaya, Ashwin, very good, ma. Very good, Rida, very good. Naveen Karthik, very good. Yadu, Netra, very good, ma. So the correct answer is in, ma. In an earthen picture. It is believed that this narrative form was an invention dash Arasa Pulavar. It is believed that this narrative form was an invention dash Arasa Pulavar. By will not come. Definitely by will not come, dear children. Aditya Darshan, from will not come. No, Ashwin, from will not come. The correct answer is off, dear children. OF, off. Okay. It is believed that this narrative form was an invention of Arasa Pulavar. When something is made only, we use by. Okay. Say, for example, cricket bat is made by the carpenters. Okay. It is something which they are going to make. Invention is something, finding something new. Okay. Invention of Arasa Pulavar. Because this is a instrument. Okay. The troupe gives its performance mostly dash temple festivals. Mostly dash temple festivals. Not to, not during. During may come. So the correct answer is mostly during temple festivals or mostly in temple festivals. Because it's one of the agenda. It is not the main focus there. So possibly you can use in there instead of during also. During is also correct, but the nearest word is in. Okay, preposition in is the correct word. In temple festivals. Yes, that's correct as well. Okay. There are 7 to 8 persons in a troupe who form a kind dash chorus. Very good. Madhini, Niranjana Devi, Jaya Akshaya, Hari Pravin, Siona, Ashwin Kumar. All of you have got it right, my dear children. The correct answer is off. OF. Off. Okay. Kind of chorus that supports the main singer narrator. Okay. When the chief narrator sings, the chorus takes dash the refrain. Takes dash the refrain. Not from, not to, not with. No, Ram Harish, not off. Not out. Not out, not out, not in, not during. We'll see who is going to give me the right answer. No, Naveen. Yes, Aditya Darshan and Ashwin Kumar. Very good. Y'all have given the right answers. Yadu, his is a pronoun. It's not a preposition, ma. By is the correct answer. By, B-Y, by. Got it? When the chief narrator sings, the chorus takes by the refrain, dash the song, and repeats it in unison. Okay? Dash the song. Yeah, very good, my dear children. Srinija, not with. Refrain of the song, OF. Of the song is the correct answer. Of the song and repeats it in unison. Okay, off is the correct answer. Yes, Rini Yalini. Okay, next one. The whole party sits dash the ground and performs. Plenty of y'all have streamed in with the answer called in. Can we sit in the ground or on the ground? On the ground is the correct answer. On the ground, because we are sitting on top of the ground. We are not sitting inside the ground, right? On the ground is the correct answer. Santosh, take your hands from your screen. Okay. On the ground is the correct answer. Very good, my dear. On the ground and performs dash a lot. Performs dash a lot. You have to. Oh, on is not there. Oh, yeah. I'm sorry, my dear children. If on is not there, then we can use in there. Okay. In, we can use in. My apologies. I too didn't see that. But literally on is the correct answer, but they haven't given on there. So we are going to use only that particular word. So in is correct here. Okay. In the ground. Okay. In the ground. And performs dash a lot. With is the correct answer, ma'am. WITH, with. And performs with a lot dash gesticulation. Dash gesticulation. Dash gesticulation. Very good, Madini. No, Ashwin. It's not with. Very good, Netra. Very good, Ashwin Kumar. Very good, Rida. Of is the correct answer. Okay. And performs with a lot of gesticulation. Lot of gesticulation and facial expression to suit the narrative they have taken. Okay. The ballad style songs are composed dash the rural dialect. Are composed dash the rural dialect. Not by. Rural dialect means your speech. Composed in the rural dialect. Okay, in the rural dialect is the correct answer. In the rural dialect, which appeals dash the audience. Which appeals dash the audience. Which appeals, very good. Plenty have given the right answers. Which appeals to the audience, not from the audience, because it's going to appeal to the audience, right? They are the listeners. To the audience is the correct answer. Who sometimes join the troupe dash suitable notes or words. Yeah, the correct answer is with. WITH. With is the correct answer. Dear children, whenever you are doing your preposition, you have to be very clear that point number 1 is you will have to follow on the paragraph. According to the paragraph only, we have to give the preposition. We can't simply use all the words blindly, okay? With or out or to or in or from or during or of or for or by should be only used according to the passage. Then only it will give meaning. After writing it, just read and see, my dear children. Definitely, the connect will be absent if your preposition is wrong. Okay. If your preposition is right, definitely the connect is going to be right. Okay. Let me tell the answers alone so that the ones who have given the wrong answers can take it down. So A is going to be in or during. Only once I will say it clear. Don't make me repeat it. Definitely I'm not going to repeat it. Okay. A is during or in. B is with. WITH, with. C is for. FOR, for. D is in. IN, in. E is of. OF, of. F is in. IN, in. G is of. OF, of. H is by. BY, by. I is of. OF, of. J is in. IN, in. K is with. WTH, with. L is of. OF, of. M is in. IN, in. N is to. TO2. And O is WITH, with. Is that understood, dear children? While doing it in a paragraph, definitely it is going to be a little bit challenging, but not that hard, dear children. I hope you all would have understood it. Is there any doubts with it, Ma? Very good. Haridev, your private comments, you have to keep your fingers intact, right? So no private messages to be sent. This is your first and foremost warning. If you are doing this, you will be sent, you will be put in the waiting room. Okay. Next is prepositional verbs. So what is a prepositional verb? A verb which is used along with a preposition is known as preposition verbs. Here, some verbs are usually followed by the preposition. Got it? Before the object of the verb. Before the object of the verb, it is used. Say, for example, laughed at. We all know laughed is a verb. So they have added at there. Okay. Planned to, attend to, believe in, ask for, care for. See, the object of the verb becomes a prepositional verb. Sometimes these sort of verbs will be used. Sometimes they are used as a phrasal verb also. They call it as phrasal verb also. Okay. They have asked us to frame sentences using the prepositional verbs which are given in the box. So y'all needn't do it right now because it's very simple. Okay. The meanings alone you'll have to know. Benefit from. What is benefit from? Getting some benefit from something. Say, for example, I have benefited from my BA English Literature classroom. Stand in. What is stand in? Stand in means standing along with somebody. I stand in for Ashwath. Okay, something like that I say. Stay at. Stay at means what? Remain at the same position. You have to stay at the school until I come. So that's how it. Mute yourself, Tarika. Go into. Go into means what? Moving into something. Yes, Renija, you're right. Go into means what? I have to go into the temple in order to pray. Okay, that's how it comes. Prepare for. Prepare for means getting ready for something. I have to prepare for my classes for the fourth period. So that's how I say. Pay for. What is pay for? Expecting the result. You should pay for the mistakes you have done. So that's how we say. So each one has a different meaning. Okay. Now, what you all have to do is go through the dictionary, get the meaning of it, and understand. Okay. So that's very important. So these are the prepositional phrases which are given for you. Is that clear, dear children? They are not that hard for y'all. Just go through it. That's only for your practice purpose. Nothing is going to be out of a question there. So just all that you'll have to do is get a dictionary, and you can find the meanings of it, right? So the D part, just refer the dictionary and find the meaning. That's more than enough. That doesn't have that much of volume to be insisted again. Is that clear, dear children? Okay, fine. Let's move on to E part. Look here, given below is a picture of a carnival. We all know what is a carnival, no? I hope you all would have made a note of your answers. You all needn't write this in your classwork note because it's very big. You all can't go on writing the sentences, the whole passage. Okay, what you're going to do, you're going to just write it once you get your book. Very soon you will be getting your books. So then you can copy the answers there. But this one is there, no D part. Frame the sentence using the prepositional verb. You're not going to literally frame the sentence. You're going to give me the meaning alone. That alone you can take it in your notebook, right? You can take down in your notebook. Look at the next one. What is a carnival? Carnival is a fair or festival. Wherever we go, no, in Tamil we call it as Tiruvilla, right? In Tiruvilla, it is given as Tiruvilla. It's a cultural and traditional, everything to eat, you can enjoy, no? Giant wheels are there, merry-go-rounds are there, everything will be there. So what we are going to do is we are going to fill in the blanks using the appropriate prepositions. Here also we are going to use the prepositions and we are going to do it, right? So here you don't have any limitations like only you have to use without, to, in, from, during, of, for, or by. All that we are going to do is we are going to use any preposition which is going to suit them. Okay? Shall we start, dear children? Shall we? Okay. I hope you all are ready. Just write the answers alone and keep it. This also, when the book comes, you can start writing over it. You'll need in write it in your class book. Is that clear, dear children? Okay, let's start. A Tiruvilla. Yes, Ashwin Kumar. You have to find only the meaning for Roman letter D. Okay. A Tiruvilla is a source of excitement and thrill for villages. The village thoroughfare wears a festive look as the open spaces are cleaned, spruced up, and decorated dash colorful streamers. What will come there? Decorated dash colorful streamers. Yes, very good, Justice and Srinija. I have got it right. Rahini, Niranjana Devi, all are correct. Yes, Ram Harish Murli, Madini, very good. Very good, Resni. The answer is with, W-I-T-H, with, okay? With color, decorated with colorful streamers. Yes, Ashwin Kumar, very good. Very good, dear children. Okay. People throng the premises, dash, catch a glimpse. People throng the premises, dash, catch a glimpse. Very good. Very good, dear children. You all have got it spot on. You all are doing it really well. Hats off to you all, dear children. So, people throng the premises to catch a glimpse, dash their village deity. Dash their village deity. What will come there? Glimpse. Whenever the word glimpse is used, we are going to use off there. Okay, OF off. Okay, catch a glimpse of their village deity, dash a magnificently decorated chariot. People throng the premises to catch a glimpse of their deity, dash a magnificent decorated chariot. Yes, two prepositions can be used here. One is in or on. Got it? Their village deity on a magnificent decorated chariot or in a magnificent decorated chariot is correct. This with and all will not come on. On or in will come there. Okay. In a magnificent decorated chariot and pay their respects. There is a big crowd dash the food stalls. There is a big crowd dash the food stalls. Yes, in the food stall, not by the food stall. How can we say by the food stall? By the food stall will never come. In is the correct answer. In the food stalls that serve free piping, hot sakare pongal, which is known as sweet pongal, lemon rice, and curd rice. So everything are known as prasadams, right? Offerings. Okay. I hope you all are clear with it. Let's move on to the next paragraph. Okay. People dash nearby villages and town display their wares attractively. Very good, my dear children. The correct answer is from. Okay, you have got it really well. People from nearby villages and towns display their wares attractively and call out loudly, dash the people. Call out loudly, dash the people. Not to the people. To the people will never come, dear children. Not by the people. It's not democracy, no. Of the people, for the people, by the people. For is the correct answer. For, F-O-R. And call out loudly for the people. Okay, for the people. Dash by their wares. Dash by their wares. What will come there? Very good, Madini. Very good, Niranjana Devi. Siona. Very good. Very good, Rahini. Very good, Gopika. You are getting it right. To by the wares. To by the wares is the correct answer. Okay. Good, dear children. Okay. Cotton candy, cut raw mangoes, smothered dash salt and chili powder. Cotton candy, cut raw mangoes, smothered dash salt and chili powder. Very good, my dear children. You are going on really fine. The correct answer is with, W-I-T-H, with. Okay, smothered with salt and chili powder, boiled groundnuts, muruku, sweets, buttermilk, etc. are sold. Okay. Men, women, grandmas, grandpas, and little children dressed dash their best clothes, enjoy the Tiruvilla greatly. Very good. Men, women, grandmas, grandpas, and little children dressed dash their best clothes, enjoy the Tiruvilla. Yes, in the best clothes is the correct answer, dear children. In the best clothes, IN. Okay. Next one. Next, we'll move on to the next paragraph. Only 4 more dashes. Quickly, we'll finish it up before the class is over. You can hear the shrieks dash happy children. You can hear the shrieks dash happy children. Very good, Ashwin Kumar. Very good, Madini. Your answers are correct. Very good, Aditya. Very good, Asir Arfan. Very good, Hari Pravin, Rajeshri. Okay. You can hear the shrieks of happy children. Shrieks of happy children enjoying the rides on ferry wheels and carousels. Elders looking dash each other. Looking dash each other. My goodness. Looking at each other means they are standing in front of them. But they are searching now. So what will come there? At will not come there, my dear children. Looking for, yes, Srinija, you have given the right answer. Looking for. Siona, it's not to, it's for. Okay. Looking for each other with smiles on their faces. So that's how it comes, right? The entire day is spent dash fun and gaiety. The entire day is spent dash. Yes, very good. Rahini, Madini, Ram Harish, Srinija, Navin Karthik, very good, ma. Very good, Hari Pravin. With, okay, with is the correct answer. Yes, Aditya Darshan and Siona, Rini Yarini, very good, ma. Okay, the entire day is spent with fun and gaiety. Yes, very good, Ranjit. Beautiful, ma. Okay, next one. All the village people, irrespective, very good, Ashwin Kumar. All the village people, irrespective of their age, look forward, dash the Tiruvilla every year. Look forward. Is it two? Definitely, it's not two. Looking. Let someone give me the right answer. Yes, Siona and Niranjana Devi have given the right answer. Very good, Justice. Very good, Srinija. Very good, Raja Rishika, Jaya Akshaya. Beautiful answers. The answer is for, my dear children. F-O-R, for. Irrespective of their age, look forward for the Tiruvilla next year. Okay? All right, let's check your answers right from first. So A will be with WITH. Tarika, don't touch the screen, ma. Okay. First answer is A is with WITH with. B is to TO2. C is off OF off. D is, there are two answers for D. You can use in or on. Okay, in or on. E is in, IN in. F is from, FROM from. G is for, FOR for. H is to, TO2. I is with, WITH with. J is in, IN in. K is off, OF off. L is for, FOR for. M is with, WITH with. And N is for, FOR for. So that's how it goes on, dear children. Okay, is that clear? Okay, fine. I hope you all have understood it fine. To make it better, I will be sharing a Google form. Okay, Google form which has a lot of prepositions along with phrase prepositions. I'll be sharing it for y'all through ma'am. Ma'am will share it to y'all. I will send it to ma'am. Okay. So what y'all are supposed to do is, all that you'll have to do is, when you receive it, it's hardly going to take only 10 minutes, right? There are only 10 sentences or 15 or maximum 20. not more than that. So the form will be shared to y'all. So what y'all are going to do? Y'all are going to write the answer. After everything is over, if you ask what is M, so what shall I say, my dear boy? So with WITH, with is the answer for M. Okay. Okay. Is there any doubts, my dear children? Yeah, Raja Rishika has done a wonderful job. She has posted the entire answers here. Very good. Okay. I hope you all have understood it. I don't think there's going to be that much of doubts. Okay. Thank you very much. Have a great day, my dear children. We'll meet next week. Have a happy weekend.